Whether you like it or not, artificial intelligence is here to stay. There's no doubt about that. And in places like Australia, there's even companies that are aiming to replace real estate agents.
Sydney-siders are using a new platform to sell their homes, cutting out the need for real estate agents. There's no commission or upfront cost, but you'll be relying on artificial intelligence to handle the negotiations.
The audacity, right?
Her door is open for a buyer.
Hi, welcome.
Riley May Tombs' two-bedroom apartment in Villawood is on the market, and the high school teacher is running her own open homes.
I have no experience in selling houses, only from watching TV.
Let's be clear. The idea of AI completely replacing real estate agents is indeed an exaggerated notion. While AI has brought significant advancements to the real estate industry, such as automating tasks like property searches, valuations, and client communication, it can't fully replace the human touch that real estate transactions often require. Real estate agents bring a level of personalized service, local market expertise, and emotional intelligence that AI currently cannot replicate.
Whether AI can negotiate the best price remains to be seen.
It's the biggest financial transaction typically in their lives. I think that hands-off, full-service model is preferable.
Buying or selling a home is a complex and emotionally charged process for many people, and the guidance of a knowledgeable agent can be invaluable. Agents also excel in negotiations, understanding the nuances of local markets, and building relationships, all areas where AI still falls short. AI tools can certainly enhance an agent's ability to serve their clients by providing data-driven insights and streamlining certain tasks, but the human element in real estate remains irreplaceable. The collaboration between AI and real estate agents is likely to be the future, where agents leverage AI to provide even better service rather than being replaced by it. With that said, let's look into how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the industry. From property valuations to enhancing customer experiences and even predicting market trends, AI is making waves in ways we couldn't have imagined before. But remember, it's still very necessary to have professionals to guide and assist in the process. Their expertise ensures that the technology is used effectively and ethically and provide the more accurate outcomes. So, let's see some of what the future holds for real estate with the power of AI. One of the most exciting applications of AI in real estate is property valuation. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to provide accurate and up-to-date property valuations. This not only saves time, but also increases the reliability of the valuations, helping both buyers and sellers make informed decisions. Imagine the ease of knowing a property's worth with just a few clicks, thanks to AI. In case you missed it, check out my previous video where I dive deeper into the algorithm approach to property evaluations and share some really useful insights. AI is also transforming the customer experience in real estate. Chatbots and virtual assistants can provide instant responses to queries, schedule viewings, and even offer personalized property recommendations. This level of service ensures that customers feel valued and attended to, making their journey smoother and more enjoyable. It's like having a personal assistant who never sleeps, always ready to help. Predictive analytics is another powerful tool AI brings to the table. By analyzing historical data and current market conditions, AI can predict future trends in the real estate market. This information is invaluable for investors, realtors, and even home buyers looking to make strategic decisions. With the right AI tools, you can stay ahead of the curve and make smarter investments based on data-driven insights. Now just imagine a world where property management is seamless and efficient. Automated systems can handle everything from rent collection to maintenance requests. These systems reduce human error and save time, allowing property managers to focus on more strategic tasks. With AI, the future of property management is not just a dream, it's already here. Another area AI is working is with virtual tours. Prospective buyers can now explore properties from the comfort of their homes. This technology provides a realistic and immersive experience, making it easier to visualize living in a new space. It's a game changer for the real estate market, offering convenience and enhancing buyer confidence. When it comes to consumer protection and the soaring number of property thefts, fraud detection and risk management are huge wins. AI can play a crucial role in combating fraudulent property theft through advanced fraud detection systems. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI can verify the authenticity of documents, monitor transactions for unusual activity, and enhance identity verification using biometric data. Additionally, AI can use predictive analytics to flag high-risk transactions and cross-reference property data across multiple databases to detect discrepancies. With real-time consumer alerts, AI enables quicker responses to potential fraud, making it a valuable tool in reducing the risk of property theft when combined with human oversight and legal safeguards. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, these systems can predict and prevent fraud before it happens. This not only protects investments, but also builds trust in the market. As we wrap things up, it's clear that AI is transforming the real estate industry in remarkable ways. From automated property management to virtual tours and fraud detection, the possibilities are endless. However, the human touch remains essential to ensure accuracy and trust in AI-driven processes. The future is bright and our lives become much easier with AI continuing to innovate and reshape how we buy, sell, and manage properties. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the future of real estate with the use of artificial intelligence. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for any future updates, and I'll see you in the next video.